Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver door power window switch. Okay, now all you have to do right here is pop this plastic piece, this assembly out. There is no screws holding it in place. Now the best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover, something like this. If you don't have it, then you can use a flat screwdriver, but in that case you have to be very careful not to damage the panel. So what I would do first I would pop off this small cover right down here so it's not on the way. Okay. Okay, just like that, and this will give you enough access to pop out this upper portion, right? And now what you have to do, you just have to pry it all the way around. There is a couple of these plastic tabs holding it in place. Okay, so now in my case I will have to use a screwdriver because that small plastic tool was just too weak to pop this off. So this is the idea, right? Just have to pop it out. Okay, just like that. Okay, now to completely remove the switch you just have to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors behind it. So first you'll have this big one right here. So what you have to do here, first you have to pull off this like a safety clip all the way out like that, and then you just have to press this black tab in the middle and pull it out. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. Okay, just like that. Now this small black one, you have a small tab here on the top which you want to press and pull out. Okay, and the last one. Now on this one you have to push this tab inside here and then just pull it out. On this one I think I'll have to use both of my hands. Okay, sorry about that, I had to help myself with the other hand, but that's it. And once you disconnect it, you can completely remove and replace this switch. Now it's up to you, you can get this complete piece from a car salvage. That's your cheapest option, but if you buy a new power window switch, in that case you'll have to just remove the switch from this complete assembly, and you can do that. You can see here there are 4 black tabs holding it, 2 on this side and 2 on the opposite side. So you just have to use like a flat screwdriver or something to pry this out. I will show you now that as well. Okay, so you see you just have to pry this piece over this tab and then lift it up. That's also work for 2 hands. Okay, so I was able to get it off. So once again, here are the tabs, and here you have these small openings where the tabs go in. And now once you have your new switch, you will just pop it in, right? And this should just click in place. See? Okay, and that's it. Once you're done, connect back everything and pop it in. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.